Figuring out your basic insurance needs can oftentimes be quite a puzzle. How much coverage do you need? What's an acceptable deductible? We add in new rules and regulations, and it is clear most of us need expert guidance. And that's what MMA Insurance is all about. Joining me today, Mark Matthews and Amanda Barnes from MMA. Welcome to the show. Nice to see both of you.
Nice to see you.
Mark, I guess MMA is your initials, so yes.
Correct.
You are the principal, you're the main guy at the agency. Explain your idea behind an independent insurance agency. What does that mean for people?
What it means for people is we have solutions for them beyond a standard company that you would see mostly on TV where they have one option. They're going to quote one company, one set of coverages. We have the flexibility to go out there, find the coverages they need, and then see who's the most affordable. So we basically do the shopping for them.
How many different companies do you work with?
Depending on the area, we probably represent total nearly 50 companies. But if you were doing auto and homeowners, we'd have over a dozen that we could go and quote their insurance with and then come back with a solution for them.
And that leads me to my next question. What type of insurance needs can you help people with?
I consider us a general agency. We can do people's auto, their home, business, life and health insurance. We could pretty much cover the majority of their needs. If not, we have relationships with people. We can point them in that direction to find a solution for them.
And Amanda, you're one of the team members that work at MMA. You help folks really navigate the system, find what's best for them. How does a smaller agency like yours really help someone kind of understand what's best for them?
It's all about explaining. A lot of people are unaware of insurance. I mean, there's so much that goes into insurance, so it definitely takes a lot to explain to someone to help them understand what they need and how we can help them with, their needs.
Be it, car, house. Yes, there are some things by law, and especially car insurance, we have to have. But there are other things that you said people don't understand. What do I need for health insurance, and what do I need for my house? When you explain it to people, the other part is rules and regulations are always changing. So you really you can help people keep up to date with that too.
Definitely. It's nice to be able to lead them in the direction that they need to be as far as being covered properly, to make sure that we are taking care of all their needs in case something was to happen, that we can guarantee to help them basically make sure that they're covered.
But Mark, people think though that you, because you're an independent agent, maybe can't deal with those large insurance companies. But you have all the big names, right?
We do. We represent companies such as Travelers, Hartford, Erie, Pekin. These companies are Fortune 100, Fortune 500 companies. There's some you don't hear about, but in general, most independent insurance companies don't advertise much. They rely on the relationship with us, with our clients, to go through there, which many times correlates to lower premiums because they're not paying for someone's commercials and things like that.
And that's maybe what people don't realize. Are you able then to, as you work with folks, and their needs change, say they start to have a family and all of a sudden you can kind of adapt or maybe even change what they need?
Many times we do that. As life changes for them, we can change their needs and their insurance based on it, whether they have children, move, remodel their house, things like that. I think people don't think about, oh, I added on a portion of my house or I remodeled my basement, how that could impact. Do they have coverage for that? Do they not? That's what we try to do, keep them educated and then work for a solution for them.
I know one thing in the coming weeks that we're going to talk about is the changes in healthcare, and Amanda's smiling because we still see those changes changing, don't we?
They are changing daily.
And I think that's going to be a great help to our viewers. And as you said, Mark, you're still learning as well, as Amanda said, because they keep changing.
Training's never ending on this subject, so I think it'll be that way for the next couple of years, which is fine. That's what we're there for, to give them an educated decision. And
you then supply options for health insurance for folks, families, single people, and small businesses?
Correct. And all those needs are different, and we figure out what fits best for them and then go from there.
Well, we are excited to look forward to what else you bring to the table as far as insurance advice for our viewers. Mark, it's nice to meet you. Amanda, it's nice to see you as well. You're going to break it all down for us. Thank you both.
Thank you.